Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset Canva account password on desktop, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your desktop. Navigate to the Canva website by typing in www.canva.com. In the top right corner of the homepage, click on the Login button. Once you're on the login page, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on the Forgot Password link to proceed. You will be prompted to enter the email address linked to your Canva account. Type your email address carefully and double-check for any typos. After entering your email, click on the Send Reset Link button. Check your email inbox for a message from Canva. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder as well. Open the email you received from Canva and locate the Reset Password link. Click on the provided link, which will take you to the Reset Password page. You'll be prompted to enter a new password. Select a strong password that you haven't used before. Re-enter your new password in the designated field to confirm it. Once you've filled in both fields, click on the Reset Password button. Your password has now been successfully reset. You can return to the Canva login page to sign in with your new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.